In Flowfinity, you can set up your form fields to be calculated rather than input by a user. In this video, we'll cover a few common numerical calculations. First, we'll calculate a percentage based on two other fields. In the sales order app, I have a field for the subtotal and a field for the tax percent that the user can enter. I'm going to add another money field for tax amount in dollars that will be calculated. Next to the field type, I'll select Formula Calculation. In the formula box, I can press Ctrl and Spacebar to pull up a list of fields in the app. Typing in subtotal, then multiplying it by the tax percent field, and dividing by 100 will give me the tax amount for the purchase. Now, I'm going to add a field for the total of the sale, which is the subtotal plus tax. I'll choose Formula Calculation again, then type in subtotal plus tax amount. Now, I'll publish the application. Here's how it looks on a mobile device. As soon as I enter a subtotal and a tax percent, the tax amount and the total are calculated right away. This works on your device with or without network connectivity. Let's look at another example. This app is for a field service technician to enter time and cost for a service call. It has a nested field called Parts List. The Parts List contains an input field for part description and a money field for cost. Nested fields help to group related items together. I'm going to set up two new calculated fields based on the parts list. First, I'll add a money field in the main form called Total Parts Cost. I'll select the formula calculation, type in sum, parts list, dot, then cost. This will add up the cost of the individual parts in the parts list. Next, I'll add another numeric field called parts count, so we can see how many parts were used. I'll select Formula Calculation, then type in count, and select Parts List. This counts the number of items in the nested field. Here's how it looks on an iPad. The field technician can add another part, and the totals are updated right away. In Flowfinity, you can use formulas for more than calculations. You can also do string operations on text fields, set up deep links, or even create custom logic based on your business rules. To learn more, start a free trial today.